Alright, here boys, here's the donor piece. She got a little hidden gem under her. A little D16Y7, stashing some parts, you know. Usual. Oh, I hear some gas. Some gas are running. Oh, that's nice. Never drained the tank. Way to go, junkyard. I'm just gonna take this whole front. Take the whole half. Taking it all, baby. Taking it all. But yeah, that's today's episode. We're just gonna keep cutting. Got myself a nice new sawzall. We're just gonna keep cutting. Get her all. Pretty much. I'll just cut her straight across. So I can just take this whole front half, break it right at the base of the windshield. Bam. Stay tuned for more. Smokin-Hoch.